There's a hidden feature on my keyboard that I couldn't live without. It's called one-shot keys, and it can completely change how you use it. Programmable keyboards already let you remap keys, create layers, and add macros or shortcuts. But few people know about one-shot keys. They are simple, but very powerful. And once you try them, you might never go back. Here's how they work. Tap the key, and it modifies only the following input. For example, tap Shift, and the next letter is capitalized. Then it stops. Hold it, and it behaves like a regular modifier, affecting every key you press. Double tap it, and it looks just like caps lock. Now all my keys are capitalized, but it can be any modifier or layer. Tap it again to unlock it. This is where it gets fun. Let's say you set a one-shot shift. Now you can use your old caps lock key for something else. Backspace, a layer switch, or my favorite, an easy-to-reach tap. It's great for comfort too. You don't need to keep shift pressed to capitalize a letter. Just tap and type. Less strain, more flow. The same idea works with Ctrl or Alt. Instead of holding Ctrl and pressing C to copy, you simply tap Ctrl and then C. And if you need to use several shortcuts, double tap Ctrl to lock it. You can now tap C or B to copy and paste as much as you like. Then tap again to unlock. It's much faster and easier. One-shot layers are just as powerful. For example, I have a number pad layer. If I need one number, I tap the one-shot key and press it. For a few numbers, I hold the key until I'm done. For spreadsheet work, I double tap to lock the layer, use my numbers, and tap to go back. Which key would you turn into a one-shot first? Shift? Ctrl? Or maybe a custom layer? Tell me in the comments. Configuring one-shot keys is quick. Open Bazecor and click Configure. In the layout editor, select the key that you want, let's say Shift. To add a one-shot modifier, open Advanced Modifiers, choose the modifier, and press Turn into One-Shot Modifier. To add a one-shot layer, open Layers, select the layer, and press Turn into One-Shot Layer. Then switch to that layer and set the same key to Transparent under Keys and Shortcuts. Done! One-shot keys might be the most underrated feature of programmable keyboards. They free up keys, speed up shortcuts, and increase comfort. Once you get used to them, you'll wonder how you ever typed without them. Give them a try and let us know if you like them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to learn everything that your keyboard can do. Bye! Trocotro!